niggas barely ever play my reps. But I'm still winning from the MI crooked just to make them peep when I'm cooking. I live Mississippi. I put a studio in my partner kitchen. So by the way I'm whipping, you would think I'm jugging these hoes. Cutting crack and make them double back like, excuse me, nigga, I need a stove. Now I ain't selling dope, it's just metaphor for my flow. But I'ma probably have to hit it with a fork till it bubble up and then rock some more, so I can bag it up for these instant folks and sell it for the low, cause they simple. If I hear Christian need a hit one more time, looking at do an interview here and there, well, they don't even know that I'm signed. If I wait on the label to support my vision, I might go blind. Lately, I've been on my till it all get real. Start plotting on my way out there. The show like Empire made of everything a dream door. Look like bougie, killing my why not king when I'm